Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SAMSUNG Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization of this mode. So we have to enter the settings and scroll a little bit to find the display. Now let's localize eye comfort shield and of course we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, or we cannot. No, we should. Okay, so that was just a misclick. So after tapping on the switcher, you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish, and it is basically in order to filter the blue light. In order to customize it, we have to tap on this option, and as you can see, we've got two different modes. So we've got the adaptive option that will adjust the screen colors based on the time of the day, or you can custom it so you can freely choose the color temperature and how you want to display it. So it's of course up to you. I will show you the custom one. Here we've got this switcher which will allow us to change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left we can make it much cooler, and to be honest it is not really that visible on this coolest setting, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. As you can see, it is really orange. So of course position it just like you want to. Oh, there is a huge huge jump between those intensities, kind of. All right, so as I said, position it just like you want to. You can schedule that feature just by tapping on this option. Always on means manual turning off and on. We can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. And custom option, which will allow you to simply choose the start and the end time. So your device will of course apply the eye comfort shield accordingly. I'll choose always on. Alright, so this is the customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to find all of those icons, and all we have to do is to try to find the eye comfort mode. And I really cannot localize it right here because I'm dumb, because as you can see the eye comfort shield is right here in the second section connected with the switcher for the screen brightness and the dark mode. My bad, sorry. So all we have to do is to tap on this icon to apply the eye comfort shield and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, so please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.